Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Fruit Arts by Elsa. Thank you for joining me. I'm so happy that you're here. So we're going to go ahead and begin. I am going to show you the dry painting from my previous video. And I am loving it. I am absolutely happy with this one. So take a look at her. Look how gorgeous she is. I love the pops of the dark color that I put in there. And I apologize for those of you that were looking to see how I added those intentionally into the painting. Next time I do it, I will show you. I'll leave it on camera. That way you see. But I had white. If you recall, I had white in those sections. And I went in and I intentionally placed the darker color to make it pop. And I'm so happy that I did this. If you look closely, you will see the shine on this piece, especially right in here. You could see the shine from that, I believe is the cream by Arteza. But super happy with this one. Look at that. Love it. You can set it any orientation you like. It's a gorgeous piece and it is available for purchase. If you're interested in this piece, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to run down to our canvas. Meet me down at the table. Hurry up. Okay, so here we are. And we're working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I am going to put my gloves on. And as I put on my gloves, I'm going to tell you what color base we are going to be working with today. So the base color I want to work with is Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. So that's going to be our base color. I do want to paint the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And I'll show you in a minute here. Okay, everyone. So as you can see, I went ahead and I painted my edges with the brush straight from the paint jar. And my edges are already covered. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flood the canvas. Okay, so the canvas has been flooded. Now, I am going to go ahead and turn the overhead light off. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the colors that we are going to be using for this one today. So first color, let me shake this a bit. So this first color I am going to be using is Pearl Lime Green by Arteza. And this is a wacky color combination. And I'm thinking, what do I want to do as far as composition? So I want to go here. Okay. I want to go here. And I want to go here. So we'll see how that turns out. My next color is Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. And I'm going to be light-handed with this one. Okay. Very interesting. My next color is Pearl Olive Green by Arteza. So 3 Artezas in a row. This one I want to wiggle. Just like that. Here's where it starts to get interesting. Next color, Pearl Rose Quartz by Arteza. Oh, yeah, another Arteza. Let me see if I can get another one. Hold on. I'm going to do Permanent Rose Gold, Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. It's darker than the Arteza, but I want some contrast. I'll probably put the Arteza on top. So Permanent Rose. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm glad I chose this color because it gives it such a beautiful pop. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know that I want to put the Arteza on top anymore. The other one. My next color is Garnet by DecoArt. I haven't used this one in a while. And I want to be very light-handed with this one because this one takes over too. Okay, so Garnet is in there. Now I want to put a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt. So another DecoArt on top. And I'm going to do Pearl Cream by Arteza. You know what? I think I want some white in here. Not the Pearl Cream. Oh, Elsa can't make up her mind today. I'm going to do Titanium White by Amsterdam. I want to lighten this baby up a little bit. Yep. Okay. Let's see what that does. And last, that's a lot of colors, but I want Ultramarine Violet by Golden. Yeah, if I can actually get it. Let's see. It's a little jammed. Can I? Let me see if I am able to do a little bit like this. Oh no. Okay. So just a little bit of splatter in there. So let's go ahead, torch out the air bubbles. That was a lot of colors. Let's see what happens. Let's begin. And I'm going to start up that way. This. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just make these two connect here. Just like that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm super happy with this. Yep. Super happy. I love it. How gorgeous is this color palette together? Absolutely beautiful. I don't think there's anything I want to do to this. I am going to actually clean up my edges and we will see the wet results for this one. I wish I had a little more of that lime color in here. Let me see. I'm going to try to do this on camera so you see how I strategically add the colors. So for those of you that were asking, I'm going to add some lime green right in the center here. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So I just take it from the bottle and I add kind of like a streak. Something like that, right? And then I'll blow it out. So forgive me here. So something like that. And then what I do is I come with my finger and I kind of like unite. See? That's all I do when I place it intentional. Okay? And now I love how that is coming through there. Love it. And I can blow in and kind of make it more uniform. Not so let's see. So I think that's good. See? Oh, how gorgeous is this? I love it. Wait till I bring you in for a close-up and you will see what I'm talking about. So, I'm going to push this in a little bit. It was just a little too harsh there for me. There. And you can also use, I just have this little tool and where I can just drag that color. Kind of like drag it in like that. See? I love it. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Now, let me take you in for a close-up. Okay, so I can't get this one into frame, but look how gorgeous those colors look. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to start here at the bottom and take a look at that. Look how gorgeous that petal fans out. Love the streak of this green and the garnet. And like I told you, look how the garnet takes over. Check out that webbing and lacing here. Look at those ginormous cells. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that reaction there. Love it. How gorgeous is that? Look at that intricate webbing and lacing. Beautiful. And then look how it fans out to the next petal here. Check how gorgeous that is. I love it. Look at this. I love the reaction of these paints. Absolutely a beautiful piece. My favorite part by far, right here. Look at that. And I love how that lime green looks here in between. This is where I added some of that color. Gorgeous. I love it. It looks like a brain right in here. Look at that. How rich and beautiful is this painting? Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this beauty. I wish I could get it into a frame for you, but I guess that will happen once it dries, or maybe if I go around the table here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Look at that. There you have it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe. Your support is deeply appreciated. Tell me what you think. Look how gorgeous that is. I am super happy with this painting and the color palette. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye.